Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21 from the European distribution, and we will going to check if this smartphone comes with factory installed screen protection. So let's open box. And as you can see, the screen is completely flat, and there is a protection film on it. You can especially notice when you take a look on the front camera, because here we have the cut in the foil. It's right here, and the protection film comes from the edge to the edge. It looks really good and feels really nice, and it protects from the scratches. But if you want to, protect your smartphone in better way, I can recommend you to put here the tempered glass, because it protects from the deepest scratches and also from the breaks. And when you turn on the screen, you cannot actually spot this protection foil, only when you turn off the device and you take a look closer on the camera or just here on the edges. So yes, S21 Plus from the European distribution comes with factory installed screen protection. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!